Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to reset TikTok algorithm. I hit a point where my TikTok feed felt completely off, like the app thought I was suddenly obsessed with random content I don't even remember watching. So I decided to reset the algorithm and start fresh. I opened TikTok, went to my profile in the bottom corner, tapped the menu icon at the top, and jumped into settings and privacy, which is basically where all the hidden controls live. From there, I found the activity center, and this is where things get interesting because TikTok is quietly tracking everything you do: watch history, searches, even interactions. I started by clearing my watch history, selected everything, and deleted it. Then did the same with search history and other activity logs. It honestly feels like wiping the slate clean, like telling TikTok, hey, let's try that again. After doing that, the next video I saw was completely different, and over time, the feed started adapting to what I actually enjoy again, which makes scrolling feels less random and way more personalized. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.